Pairs trading analysis with Python. The objective of this course is for you to learn pairs trading analysis main concepts from a basic to an expert level while you practice with MSCI countries indexes ETF prices using Python programming language as your analysis tool. At the end of this course, you will be able to identify pairs and test short-term statistical relationship through their price-returns correlation coefficient, assess single pair spread cointegration or long-term statistical relationship through Engel-Granger test, evaluate if paired asset prices spread is stationary after testing individual price time series are non-stationary and individual price time series differences are stationary through augmented DK-Fuller and Phillips parent unit root tests. Generate entry or exit trading signals and produce long or short trading positions based on rolling spread set score crossing certain band thresholds. Measure trading strategies performance against buy and hold benchmarks using analyzed return, standard deviation, Sharpe ratio metrics, and cumulative returns chart. This course is ideal as you're an undergraduate or postgraduate who wants to learn about pairs trading analysis using Python programming language. You're a finance professional or academic researcher who wishes to deepen your knowledge in quantitative finance. You're an experienced investor who desires to research pairs trading strategies. It's very important to remember that this course is not about get-rich-quick trading systems or magic formulas.